Hello kids! Taking care of your teeth is very important. Today we are gonna make a model of your mouth and teeth. Brushing and flossing your teeth is very important so you don't get cavities. When you brush and floss, you get rid of food and plaque. Plaque can cause cavities. Use a soft toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste to clean your teeth. Brush back and forth in small circles. When you are done, spit out the toothpaste and swish your mouth with water. Now let's start our project. These are the materials you will need for the craft: pink and red paper, mini marshmallows, liquid glue, a coloring page with a child's face, popsicle sticks, googly eyes, yarn, scotch tape, and scissors. We are going to start cutting a pink oval for the mouth. When you are done, fold it in two and overlap it nicely. Glue the popsicle stick on the back of your pink oval. You will need to do this before you glue the marshmallows. Otherwise, it will be more difficult for the marshmallows to stay put. Next, we are going to glue the marshmallows for the teeth. Use a popsicle stick to apply liquid glue. Glue 8 marshmallows on the bottom jaw and 8 marshmallows on the upper jaw. Put the mouth on the side and give it some time to dry. While we're waiting for it to dry, let's cut your portrait from white paper. Color your portrait however you like. Use your imagination. To make it nicer, glue some googly eyes. While you are waiting for the glue to dry, cut from the red paper the shape for the tongue. Leave a margin to fold it in and glue it inside the mouth. final step is to glue your portrait on top of the mouth. Now you can play and pretend brushing teeth and flossing. Wrap the floss around your fingers and move it up and down and back and forth. Come at the library and pick up your package and you will find more educational materials in it. The package is available for a limited time while supplies last. Don't forget to read more books about how to keep your teeth clean. Take care of your mouth and that will help you have a healthy smile for the rest of your life. Bye-bye!